In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a laptop keyboard that's not working on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you're having trouble with unresponsive keys, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through some steps that can help solve this issue in just 5 minutes. Let's get started. First, we're going to begin by navigating to the Start button on your desktop. You'll find this at the bottom left corner of your screen. This step is fundamental as it leads us to the main menu where all of our settings can be accessed. Once you click on the Start button, you're going to look for the Settings option. This is the central place where you can control different aspects of your system. Within the Settings menu, you'll then select System. This section contains various options to manage your device's hardware and software. Now, within the System options, find and click on Troubleshoot. Troubleshoot is a diagnostic tool that can automatically detect and fix common problems. Go ahead and click on Other Troubleshooters to explore multiple areas where issues can be addressed. Once you're in the Troubleshooters section, you'll need to select the specific issue you're facing, which in this case could relate to the keyboard or input devices. Click on the Run button next to it. This action will initiate the troubleshooting process, and Windows will start diagnosing your keyboard to find any underlying problems. As the troubleshooter runs, it may offer some suggestions or solutions. Make sure to follow any on-screen instructions provided thoroughly. This might include restarting your laptop or confirming certain settings. These steps are essential for implementing any fixes the troubleshooter finds. If the above steps didn't help, don't worry. There's more we can try. Head back to the Settings menu and look for Accessibility. This will lead you to various assistive technologies Windows provides. Click on Keyboard, as this is where we can make direct changes to the keyboard settings. Next, locate the setting for filter keys. Sometimes, this accessibility feature can interfere with normal keyboard operations. Go ahead and turn it off, as disabling it might resolve your keyboard issue. Another tip is to check if your keyboard is set to the correct language. Sometimes, a mismatched language setting can cause certain keys to behave differently or not work. Ensure you have the right language selected, and if needed, switch it to see if that solves the problem. And finally, if you've tried all these steps and your keyboard is still not responding, it might be time to consider replacing the keyboard. This could be a hardware issue, and a replacement might be the only way to get back to normal usage. That's it for today. I hope one of these solutions helped you get your keyboard functioning again. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.